Hey guys, in today's video I'm taking a look at free games right here on your PlayStation. So let's get started. So all you guys have to do is go into your PlayStation store, and then from here scroll down just a little bit, scroll down a little bit more, and then move to the right. So up here you're gonna see browse. So there's a specific game that you're looking for. Yeah, go into search, so that's this option. But if you're looking for more, go into browse, and then on the left hand side you can sort and filter and choose price. From price, choose free, and there you go. You're gonna find all the free games available at this point in time. So if you would like this one, for example, Destiny, you can add it to your library, download it, or just download it. So we're gonna press download. We're gonna download the PS5 version, and there we go. Same goes with this. We can go ahead and download PS5 version. It's gonna be added to our download list, and this too. We can go ahead and download it. And here we go. So all these games are free. So right now, we're going to go back. It's in library, free. We're going to download it as well, Roblox. And again, remember, anything that would be in this list has to be free because it's under this list. This is the latest one, which is an awesome game. And here we go. It's also free. It takes 16 gigs. So get ready for that. And if you do have to stop any other game downloads, make sure to stop them before you download these other guys so they go a little bit faster. So I'll teach you how to look at your download list in a little bit. So we're just going to download a few, and then I'm going to teach you how to go into your download list. So right now we're going to see this and this one. So right now let's just stop here so you guys can see where we're at. So this one's 62 gigabytes, by the way. So right now, what we can do is just press our PlayStation button, go to downloads, and then we're gonna see them here. So at this point in time, if you guys wanna stop any of them, you could, if you start downloading too many like me, and just make the ones that you really want to go and just download like quicker. So right now, these are just waiting. This one's gonna take about, it's not 30 hours, depends on your internet speed. If you guys want this to go a bit faster, yeah, hook up your PlayStation directly to your router using an Ethernet cable, should be faster. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. That's how you guys can download these free games right here on your PlayStation. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.